Requesting time off on ADP is a straightforward process that can be done through the ADP Workforce Now platform. Here's how to do it in a few simple steps. Login. Access the ADP Workforce Now portal through a web browser or the ADP mobile app. Enter your username and password to log in. Navigate to Time and Attendance. On the homepage or dashboard, find and click on the Myself tab. From the drop-down menu, select Time and Attendance. Request time off. Within the Time and Attendance section, look for the Request Time Off or Time Off button and click on it. Fill out the request form. Select the type of time off you are requesting. Choose the start and end dates for your time off. You may also need to specify the start and end times if you're requesting partial days off. Add any additional notes or comments for your manager if necessary. Submit request. Review the details of your request to ensure accuracy. Click the Submit button to send your time off request to your manager or HR for approval. Confirmation. You will receive a confirmation notification that your request has been submitted. You can check the status of your request in the Time and Attendance section.